So in some interviews, you may get questions regarding Axios and fetch. So sometimes what people may ask, what is the difference between fetch and Axios? I would say one of the things with fetch is that it doesn't kind of create the query parameters. It doesn't convert the query parameters in your params into a URL directly, while Axios kind of handles that for you. So this has been an ongoing issue with fetch, and it's a won't fix, so they won't change it. So it makes sometimes fetch less desirable. I would say there's more control over Axios on how you want to handle it. Fetch, although it comes direct onto the browser, I prefer Axios for some reasons, which Axios provides. Now, it is important to understand and explain what Axios does. Both are promises, and you can see it's a promise-based HTTP client for browser and Node. So there is a lot of things you can work with Axios. Some of the features you can mention from here itself. But I think there's one particular thing I want to mention is that let me just see if I can find it here. So let's just go to the adapters here, and you can see that this is how it's actually created. All right. At this point, if you go to your XHR, you can see that the request that you make is actually based out of an XML HTTP request. So end of the day, your Axios is actually using XML HTTP request to kind of create everything for you. So you can see that we are request.open is here, on ready state change we are writing it here, etc. So Axios is based out of XML HTTP request. So this is one of the reasons I always recommend that you go through the source code to kind of understand what is happening on this side. All right, so straight here we can see that it is based out of XML request. We are doing an open, there's a timeout. If there's a timeout inside which is created, then it creates a timeout. It uses on ready state change. So this is one of the reasons that you might get a lot of questions on XHR. Because if you know XHR, then you know Axios also. All right, so you are requested to go through this and check out this a little more in detail. Okay, because there might be a lot of questions on XHR also that you get. So, this is for HTTP, I guess. So, yeah, that's fine. So, we have now understood a lot of different concepts and the different ways you can get questions on this. So I think we're going to stop this topic here. If there's more topics that need to be discussed, do let me know, and I can make some more conceptual videos on those.